What began as a dream to unite the troops from the empire has blossomed into a tradition that honors our heritage while opening doors to new opportunities. This year's celebration, while opening doors to new opportunities, this year's celebration is especially meaningful because it reflects the strength and spirit of the Filipino community. Our resilience, creativity, and unity shares through in every part of this festival. In fact, we may have set the record this year with 35 performers, an incredible lineup that showcases the depth of our talent and passion. Among them, we are thrilled to welcome back the Rudy Award Dino Morales, returning to the second festival appearance with headline performance that promises to inspire the electrified tomorrow. It's courtesy of GNA and we also mark a historic